In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set minimum stay on Airbnb in 2026, step by step. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Once you're in, make sure you're in hosting mode, especially if you're using the Airbnb app or switching between guest and host views on the website. This is important because the hosting tools are where you'll manage your listing settings, including booking rules like minimum stay requirements. After that, go to your listings section and choose the property you want to update. If you manage more than one listing, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before making any changes. That helps avoid updating the wrong property by mistake. Next, head into the availability section of your listing settings. This area controls when guests can book and under what conditions, so it's where Airbnb places options related to stay length. Once you're there, look for the setting labeled trip length or minimum nights. Depending on the version of the app or website you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but it will refer to the minimum number of nights a guest must book. Now choose the minimum number of nights you want guests to stay. For example, you might set it to 2 nights for weekend efficiency, 3 nights to reduce frequent turnovers, or even 7 nights if your property is better suited for longer stays. The right number depends on your hosting strategy, cleaning schedule, and the type of guests you want to attract. If needed, you can also set custom minimum stays for specific dates or seasons. This is especially useful during holidays, events, or peak travel periods when demand is higher and you may want longer bookings. Adjusting these date-based rules gives you more control and can help you maximize occupancy in a way that fits your business goals. Before you finish, review your availability settings carefully to make sure the minimum stay rule is exactly what you intended. It's a good idea to double check both the default rule and any custom seasonal settings just to make sure everything works together correctly. Once everything looks right, save your changes to apply the new minimum stay requirement. Don't skip this step or your updates may not go live. Finally, check your listing preview or calendar to confirm the new minimum stay is now active for future bookings. This last check helps you verify that guests will see the correct booking rules when they try to reserve your place. And that's how to set a minimum stay on Airbnb in 2026.